Every vehicle has a story. Some move on land, some fly in the sky, and others sail on water. Let's learn them all together.
This is a bicycle. It has 2 wheels and you ride it by pedaling. This is an electric scooter. It uses electricity to move. It's great for short rides around the city. Here is a motorcycle. It is a 2-wheeled vehicle with an engine. A car is a vehicle with 4 wheels that people drive on roads. A bus is a large vehicle that carries many people on the road. A taxi is a car that people pay to ride to go somewhere. This is a van. It's a big car used to carry people or things. This is a police car. It is a special car that helps police officers go quickly to help people. Ambulance is a vehicle that takes sick or injured people to the hospital quickly. Fire engine is a large red vehicle used by firefighters to put out fires and help in emergencies. Truck is a large vehicle used to carry and transport heavy goods from one to another. Tractor is a strong vehicle used on farms to pull or move heavy machines and help with farming work. A train is a long vehicle that runs on rails and carries people or goods from one place to another. If you want to learn about the sky vehicles, don't miss my next video.
Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and share for more fun English learning content. See you in the next video.